I've never seen in my 28 years, and I've been all over the world for DEA, I've never seen a drug as lethal as fentanyl. And we've never seen the damage done to all of our communities and all of our families that fentanyl is doing right now. And that's why it's so important for me to get out and talk about this as much as I possibly can. The two cartels who are causing all of this misery are the Jalisco cartel and the Sinaloa cartel. And they're mass producing fentanyl at rates like we've never seen before because it's a synthetic drug now. They don't need plants anymore. They're just getting chemicals from China, and they're mass producing fentanyl in dirty laboratories in Mexico, and then they're bringing it into all of our communities. And they're doing it in the form of powder, but the most insidious way that they're doing it is they're manufacturing pills to look identical to a pharmaceutical grade pill, and they want everybody to take those pills. They don't want to kill everybody. What they want to do is addict every single one of us. That's their goal. And if they kill 112,000 Americans like they did in the last 12 months, it doesn't matter to them because there's hundreds of millions of more Americans behind them that they just will try to addict. The other thing with these pills you have to understand is these are not real pills laced with fentanyl. It is an entirely fake pill made with nothing but fentanyl. 7 out of 10 pills that we seize contain a potentially deadly dose of fentanyl. Just 2 milligrams, enough to fit in the tip of pencils, enough to kill every one of us. We seized 78 million pills last year. That's what we seized. We also seized 12,000 pounds of powder. So if you do the math, that's enough to kill 389 million Americans. So when I say they're not moved by how much death and destruction that they cause because they're driven by nothing but greed and their goal is to addict every one of us, that's why it's so important that we get out and we deliver this message wherever we can. Anybody that's out there spreading this message, particularly to young people, we have to tell them why. We have to educate them so that when they're faced with it, and they will be faced with it, they can make a good, safe, healthy decision